Dear art lovers, Happy New Year! Would you like to go back to 2021 with me and have a look at what we achieved this year? The most watched video, the most liked video, my favorite drawing, and yours. We start from the most watched video of 2021. The tutorial that I talked about 6 different methods to blend colored pencils, how to blend colored pencils, was watched 25,622 times. And the most liked video of mine is the one that I compared charcoal pencils. There were 61 likes on this video and a lot of comments said that they found it helpful. Do you know who your soulmate is? I don't know yours, but I know colored pencil soulmate is markers. This was my first time working with markers, but I did so many colored pencil work. That's a fly. Oh my god. The most difficult drawing of 2021 for me was a split in between this elderly gentleman and another portrait. This was particularly difficult because of the wrinkles, different color changes, and of course the detail. And the other most difficult portrait of the year was this poodle. It was really difficult to give those fur details, especially on the top where the fur gets really curly. And if you're ready now to get dirty... Oops, this is the moment that I realized what I just said. Now I need to save face. Your hand. And if you're ready now to get your hands dirty, let's talk about charcoal. 2021 was the year of firsts. For example, I started the new series, Artist Spotlight, this year and it became really popular. In this series, I'm talking about famous artists, their personal life and their art. Just go to the playlist and choose any episode. Now, briefly, let's have a look at some of them. Yayoi Kusama is in Artist Spotlight this week. A hardworking, bizarre genius with narcissistic tendencies. In Artist Spotlight this week, I'm taking you to Salvador Dali's world. On July 6, 1907, in Coyoacan, Mexico, Magdalena Carmen Frida Kahlo y Calderon, with the name we know, Frida, was born. Again, Van Gogh was in the wheat fields. Probably he had been painting all morning. Then he grabbed his 7mm revolver and shot himself in the chest. This was going to be his last program ever.
Bob!
Hi, everyone.
What do you think that means?
I'll bet the trees and animals knew all about old Walter's treasure. Like it says.
As I said, 2021 was the year of first. Another first thing that happened to me this year was drawing with watercolor pencils. It was an interesting experience for me because it creates this base with watercolor, but then you can go in to give details as if you're working with colored pencils. So it is definitely more time efficient in comparison to colored pencils. But I don't know if their color is as vibrant as colored pencils. This line turned out to be one of my favorite drawings of the year. Another first of this year, vlogs. I went to art museums for you. For example, here you see me in Boston Fine Art Museum and I showed you all the halls full of famous artwork, from Velázquez to Van Gogh. And another museum that I took you with me was Moma, Modern Art Museum of New York. And here we saw so many famous artwork from Picasso to Dali and Frida. Especially Monet's exhibition was, well, how to put it? Head spinning. Yeah, that's the word. Oh, come on. How difficult can this be? For my full-time portraits, they are here. The eraser I'm going to explain while drawing. How can we give realistic details with these erasers? I'm going to show you while I'm drawing Kangana Ranaut's portrait. 2021 was the first year ever that I drew with markers. I used markers as the base for color pencils, and it was an amazing experience, guys. I highly recommend you to use markers with colored pencils. Here, when I was doing the realistic cherries, they created this very bright, very solid base layer. It definitely made my drawing process much more fun and much faster. I used alcohol-based markers, professional markers, but if you want, you can use water-based markers as well. This year also witnessed another first in my drawing career. I drew with graphite on watercolor paper for the first time. This is a hot press paper, so its tooth is definitely finer, but I could tell you that graphite shine was much less, and graphite really holds on to watercolor paper very well, and it is easier to erase but difficult to blend, I'll tell you that much. It is very ideal for animal portraits because the fur details stand out more. This is a sandpaper where, you see people use it in the work of carpenter, or maybe when you're painting your home, you just use it to even out the walls. I got really adventurous this year and I just drew on a sandpaper because why not? And it turned out very well. I just realized that with soft pastels, it creates much thicker lines than normal pastel mattes. But definitely it worked out because pastel holds on to sandpaper very well. And my very first self-portrait. Guys, that was a very awkward experience because I kept telling myself, this is not me, this is not me. Because how we see ourselves, how we perceive ourselves is much different than how we actually look to others. The background, oh my goodness, I kept changing the background and I finally decided on blue, and I taught you how to correct mistakes in soft pastel. This was also my first experience with stick pastels, but I think in the end I would say that I'm a bigger fan of pen pastels rather than the stick pastels. It's interesting how we choose our men sometimes. Another time, another topic. And so blending stump, Q-tip, blending stump, Q-tip. Oh, çok geçti ya. My favorite drawing of the year. Reproduction of Vermeer's The Girl with the Pearl Earring was my favorite drawing because when I was following Vermeer's steps, I learned a lot about him, about this girl, and about pastels. How he used the complementary colors, how he mixed the colors very well, and how he used the light was absolutely amazing. I loved every step of this drawing. And let's talk about your favorite drawing. I asked you what was your favorite drawing of the year, and most of you were split between my lion drawing and my realistic drawing of the cherries. Thank you so much for your all votes. I was so glad that you have been here with me this whole time in this year, and I'm so happy to have you next year as well. Happy New Year!